here I have a part, 4-axis part, the machines. And if you don't have the production function in Cimatron, you normally will try the this function, the part 4x, but it will not give you a good result. I will show you the problems. You can see near the edge here, the tool is nearly hitting the part, right? This is because of the surface slope over here. And also for this this function is not good when you machine multiple surface. As you can see, we have two surfaces here, right? So I'm going to show you how to use the aiming surface to cut this part. First, we need to do some surfacing, and I will go and just go face and do a blend. This edge, for this edge is broken, so I need to first make a composite curve and make into a spline. Okay, then I will use this one and this one to make a blend surface. So why I need to make a blend surface with these two curve is to get the correct surface curve. Let me show you the surface curve. View, display curve. Sorry, display curve, not surface curve. View, display curve, and I'll put to 10 and okay. Yeah, okay. Now let's change, make it to wireframes. Yeah. For aiming surface, you will follow the surface curve either along or across. There is why you need to make sure the surface curve, the display curve, is a two path. Is similar to the two path that you need. Yeah. And then just switch to this. Let's go to cam and I'm going to make a copy, and I will go and change this one to aiming 4x, and the aiming surface will be this one, and the part surface will be this piece and this piece. For aiming surface, the part surface can be any number of surface. That is the advantage of aiming surface. And so now it's cutting this direction, so I will go and do a flip here. Flip, right? Now it's along directions. I'm going to use the same settings and okay. And let's look at the two part. Yes, you might have this problem. Okay, go and check. Sorry, let's navigate here. Yeah, you can see the two part is opposite, right? This is due to the surface normal of this aiming surface has been opposite. To solve the normal direction of this aiming surface, you can go to analysis, go to object directions, and you can see in here is black. Black, that means it's not correct, so I'm going to change it to white. Just click and OK. So now become white. Let's recalculate again. And this is the result, but somehow it gave me a cross, so I will change it to along again. I will flip the directions. Let's see. Yep, so this is the result that I want. Right? is good for this side also. Okay. Thank you for watching.